Hi, Matthew from Factbird here, and today I'm going to show you how Factbird can help you as a maintenance manager to streamline your processes and make managing the maintenance within your production facility a whole lot easier. So while Factbird is primarily a live data tracking system for your production data, we also have inbuilt a lot of features that are super useful to a maintenance manager like yourself. So jumping straight in here to the register stops page, this is the page that the operators will have open on a tablet or a PC next to the line where they can register the stops as they happen. But as you can see, built into this page is this and-on call function. So if an operator is to click this, they initiate an and-on call. They can call for a specific role. So if you have different levels of maintenance manager within the organization, they can call for a specific type of engineer or maintenance manager to come. They can put in their initials, so I'll just put in MS here, and then a comment so that the maintenance manager who receives the and-on call knows what they're getting themselves into. So I'll just say, belt snap, can't fix. Once they have inputted this initial and comment, they can make either a yellow call or a red call. And this differentiates to the maintenance manager or the maintenance engineer that receives the call how severe it is. A yellow call says, this is something that needs to be addressed and come when you have some time. A red call says this needs to be addressed right now, make sure somebody gets here. So let's make this as a yellow call. So once the operators have made these and-on calls, you can see a log of these over time. And this is where a maintenance manager can start to look at more historical data to see where things have gone wrong. So let's look at the month of March as a whole here. Within this, you can see all of the and-on calls that have been made in the month of March, what the reason for them was, how long the resolve time was, the initials of who were making them, and any comments that were made on it. So looking at this over time, a maintenance manager can see how long is their resolution time happening, can it be quickened, where are problems happening the most frequently, and you can start to streamline your processes in terms of where maintenance might be needed. So looking at where else a maintenance manager could get value from our system, you're actually able to do quality checks and control checks within the system. So if we look at our batch functionality, within that, you can look at these controls, as it says here in the system. And using this automatically or through manual input, operators can then give the quality checks from the line so a maintenance manager can see and know if things are going out of phase. So we have analog sensor input capability, which can measure temperature, humidity, vibration. You can then get these quality checks done automatically, and a maintenance manager can get a notification if, let's say, the temperature gets too high or too low, or similar with the other analog sensors. We can also do this by operators manually inputting this data, and then the maintenance manager can check back manually on the different controls as they happened over time. Furthermore, we have alarms built into the system if a stop has gone on too long, and then a maintenance manager can get a text and an email saying that this stop has happened for 15 minutes, you need to get down there and help resolve it. Or different alarms, as I mentioned, for if analog sensors for temperature, humidity, etc. go out of hand. So in general, there's a lot of functionality for a maintenance manager. It's not just the live data capture. There's a lot of ways that we can use this data to make your managing of the maintenance in your production facility far more efficient.